Good afternoon, all the students. On the behalf of Ars Academy, we are presenting the answer key for the BSc Agriculture 2023 4-year program, and I am representing the chemistry answer key in front of you. So we are starting our questions. The first question is, for an ideal behavior, the compressibility factor Z is, as Z is equal to PV by RT, and in case of ideal gas, PV is equal to RT, so the value of Z is 1. Second question, temperature below which the gas does not obey its ideal law is Boyle's temperature. Electromagnetic radiation, next one. Among these, the sequence is X-rays, gamma rays, visible, UV, infra, radio. So which one possesses a higher wavelength? Radio waves. Number of nodal plane is given by the formula L. For D, the value of L is equal to 2. Hence, the number of nodal planes in D orbital has 2. 1 Fermi equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter or 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter. So, the correct answer is A. Alkali metal halide which has the lowest energy, as cesium possesses the biggest size, lattice energy is inversely proportional to size. So for 56, answer is D. Molecule having net dipole moment 57. In case of ammonia, it possesses a trigonal pyramidal, and due to the presence of lone pair, it possesses a dipole moment. So 57 answer is C. Relation between delta G and entropy change, delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So delta H is equal to delta G plus T delta S. तो correct answer आपका बेटा B. Equal volume of two solutions having pH is equal to 3 and 4 are mixed. The pH of the resulting solution is, in case of question number 59, your answer is the concentration of H ion in case of equal volume is 10 to the power minus 4 plus 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 4. Hence pH comes out to be 3.26. 9th answer is D. 60 question. According to Le Chatelier's principle, whenever heat is added to the solid, the amount of the solid get converting into liquid. Hence amount of solid goes on decreasing. So the correct answer is A. 61th, oxidizing agent. The correct order of oxidizing agent in case of halogen is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So the strongest oxidizing agent is fluorine. 62. The oxidation state of phosphorus in BaH2PO2, that should be simply written is H2PO2 negative, phosphorus X, hydrogen 2, oxygen minus 2 into 4 minus 1, X is equal to plus 1. So correct answer is C. For second order, the unit of rate constant is liter per mole per second. So 63 answer is D. Now the question is 64th, your 64th question, metal which gives hydrogen with dilute nitric acid. There are only two metals, magnesium and manganese, which can react with dilute nitric acid. Other metals does not react. Least basic trihalide, NF3, due to presence of lone pair. Hypo solution reacts with iodine to form sodium hyposulfate. Aqueous solution of borax, Na2B4O7 on hydrolysis gives boric acid and sodium hydroxide. Boric acid is a weak acid and sodium hydroxide is a strong base, so the solution is basic. Ore of aluminium is Al2O3.2H2O, that is bauxite ore. Question number 69th, plaster of Paris, CaSO4 dot half H2O, that can also be written as CaSO4 whole twice dot H2O. So the correct answer is A. Blast furnace, iron oxide is reduced to iron by the use of carbon monoxide, behave as a reducing agent. Isomers which can be converted through rotation about single bond gives a different number of conformers. So correct answer is conformers. Show optical activity 72. For optical activity, it must possess a chiral center, that is asymmetric carbon atom. So the correct answer is A. Now the question number is 73. In question number 73, the thermal decomposition of higher hydrocarbons into lower hydrocarbon is known as pyrolysis or cracking. Isobromide CH3CHBr CH3 undergoes Wood's reaction led to the formation of product, that is 2,3-dimethyl butane. So the product formed is 2,3-dimethyl butane. Question number 75. In case of column chromatography, the separation depends on the rate of adsorption, that is differential adsorption. Proteins are basically alpha amino acid. Amino group is attached to the alpha position, that is alpha amino acid. 77. Invert sugar. Sucrose is the invert sugar which gives a mixture of D-glucose and D-fructose. 78. The central atom assumes sp2 hybridization is, in case of BF3 बोरोन के साथ में 3 बॉन्ड पेयर, कोई लोन पेयर नहीं, central atom is sp2 hybridized, not paramagnetic. NO 15 electron, N2 negative 15 electron, O2 negative 17 electron, S2 negative 18 electron. So 18 is an even electron, undergoes pairing. So S2 negative is not paramagnetic, it is diamagnetic in nature. Question number 80. The material used in solar cell contains silicon. The intermetallic compound lithium Ag crystallizes in both lithium and silver have coordination number of 8, so having BCC arrangement. In case of BCC, coordination number is 8:8. The molar depression constant delta TB or delta F is directly proportional to molar mass of solvent. So depends on the nature of the solvent. Which concentration unit is not affected by temperature? Molality. Molality independent of volume. So it is independent of temperature. State function delta U internal energy is equal to Q plus W. So the state function is D. Redox reaction is spontaneous. For the reaction to be spontaneous, the value of E0 comes out to be positive. So correct answer is C. Dilute aqueous solution of Na2SO4 is electrolyzed using platinum electrode, that is an inert electrode. The product at anode and cathode is, on electrolysis of aqueous, it produces H ion, move towards cathode, liberation of hydrogen gas, and OH ion led to the liberation of oxygen gas. So the correct answer is A. The amount of iodine left after 50 minutes will be, number of half-life is equal to total time 50, half-life 25, number of half-life 2. Final amount n is equal to n0 1 by 2 की power 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. So correct answer is 87 A. Now the question number 88. In case of 88, anti-Marconic of addition of HBr is not observed in case of butene. It is symmetrical. And in case of symmetrical, there is no Marconic or anti-Marconic of rule is valid. Cannizzaro reaction is not given by, Cannizzaro reaction is given by those in which alpha hydrogen is present. Those in which alpha hydrogen is not present. So in acetaldehyde, there is a presence of alpha hydrogen, so it does not give Cannizzaro reaction. Gabriel thalamide synthesis used mainly for the preparation of aliphatic amines, not aromatic, because aromatic does not undergo nucleophilic substitution. Maximum covalency equal to valence electron, that is equal to 6 in case of sulfur. 92. The transition metals are generally colored because of DD transition Oxidation 93. Oxidation state of iron in K3FeCN whole 6. Iron X, potassium 1 into 3, 3, cyanide minus 1, whole 0, so X is equal to plus 3. So the oxidation state of iron is plus 3. In case of question number 94, when uranium emits an alpha particle, the product has mass number and atomic number. In case of uranium 238, 92, emission of alpha particle, mass number decreases by 4 units and atomic number decreases by 2 units. So the correct answer is B. Physical adsorption is essential, quite appreciable at. Physical adsorption will easily take place at a lower temperature, because with the increase in the temperature, the rate of adsorption goes on decreasing. The method by which colloidal solutions are purified is dialysis, centrifugation. So the correct answer is dialysis. Chloroprene is the repeating unit of synthetic rubber, that is neoprene. Chain growth polymer, in which the monomer unit combine with each other to form a polymer but does not lead to the formation of any side product, that is chain growth polymer. Correct answer is polypropylene. 99. The protein responsible for the blood clotting is fibrinogen. And in case of 100 question, the question arises, which one is tranquilizers? Mild mental disorders को ठीक करते, sedatives की तरह behave करते, and the correct answer of 100 is Seconal. So this one is the answer key of your chemistry for BSc 4-year agriculture. Kindly check your answers and observe it how many of the questions are correct. Thank you.